Bros.
I'm Jacob.
And I'm Finn.
And today we're going to be doing a room tour on holiday. We're in Vietnam. Let's get to it.
Now we're going to be starting the room tour by the doorway. This is our lovely chair near the doorway. This is our lovely toilet. And this is our warm, lovely shower. And this is where we get dressed and put our shoes on.
Your flip-flops lying around.
This is where we brush our teeth. This is
This is my bed, and that's Finn's bed over there.
And then
and cleaners. The cleaners have just come in.
Lovely balcony.
You have an amazing view out onto the sea. I mean, there's a couple trees in the way, but it doesn't really matter. Anyway, let's go into the parents' room.
So this is the hallway. Then this is where we eat and make food, the kitchen.
We have little stools and everything. This is our suitcases or boring stuff. That's the pool bag. That's the safe bag. More cases. We even got a rubber ring. Another case. What else?
And this is where our mum and daddy's shoes are. And this is some of mummy's clothes and our safe.
Yep. Keep all the valuables in there.
And this is where we get coffee from.
You love your coffee, don't ya?
And then this is where we ring
the reception if we need any help.
where we get the food from. It's only got 3 foods inside.
Some lovely Haribo, some sweet and salty popcorn, and then some nuts. Oh, some sort of things. And then
This is the freezer.
yeah, not very interesting.
And this is another toilet.
Lots of toilets around.
And this is our lovely bag.
It's like a hammock. And look, Finn, show them the tap. When it goes through, it goes under the drain, like this. Just like it's weeing itself.
And then this is the 2 sinks.
Yeah. Here's a lovely little mirror.
And then
Another
here's the
shower. What else?
And then this is where,
Our parents sleep.
yeah.
We even have our
And we've
own
got
little,
these little sofas.
little like lounge sofa things. I don't know what to call them.
We've got a lovely balcony what leads out to the water slide.
There's the water slide down there. You can't really see it very well, but it's there. More ocean view. Look at that.
Thank you guys for watching.
Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe.
We'll see you next time.